Hello, welcome to this lesson titled Conditional Statements. Conditional statements helps you make a decision based on certain conditions. Let's start with the if, and else conditional statement. This is used to execute a certain code if the condition is true, and if the condition is false, another certain code is executed. Let's check out its syntax. So the syntax for this is say if is condition true, then do this. Else, do this instead. So in simple English, the condition here, if it's true, then execute the piece of code here. Else, do this instead. Let's say we have a bar which accepts adults age 18 and above due to alcohol and the other stuff. So what we have to do is let's set a variable for the legal age. So legal age, and let's set this to 17 or 18. And now the conditional statement. So the condition I will give it is if the legal age is less than 18, that means if the user is less than 18 years of age, then we want to echo out something, and this is the condition I'll run. We'll say something like, sorry kiddo, go back to mommy. So now let's save this and run. Let me comment this out first and run this. Now, because we set the legal age to 17, you can see it says if legal age is less than 18, which is true, it printed out this code. What if I change the legal age to 18 or above? So, and save this. You can see nothing else happens because we don't have an else statement to check that. We have typed it here, but there is no piece of code inside of it. It's just like it's not existing at all. So let's add that else statement back and put a condition in it. And now let's add the else condition. So it means if the legal age is less than 18, it should print this, but if it's more than 18, this is what will happen. I'll type bienvenido, welcome to the club. So now if I save this and reload, you can see the statement inside of here printed instead because the legal age is 18 and the if is checking if that condition is met, and this was met, so it skipped this and rather run the one in the else statement. We can add one more condition, which is the else if statement. This tests if the first one is false. We will place it between the if and else, so somewhere here. So let's type is else, and now the condition for the else if, let's do it legal age. Let's use the identical and set this to 18. So we're saying if the legal age is exactly 18, which means the person barely passed the minimum age requirement. So let's echo out something. And let's say almost lucky there, pal. You can enter. And save this. Now since this is exactly 18, you can see that statement got echoed out instead. So with the else if, we can add as many else if statements as we want. Alright, that'll be it. Let's take a look at the next conditional statement.